St. Lucie County, the crown jewel of Florida's Treasure Coast, has enviable weather, plenty of green space, and everything your company needs to succeed. Diverse properties suitable for potential expansion and growth. Large commercial hubs such as Tradition, St. Lucie West, and downtown Fort Pierce. And the workforce to make your company flourish. St. Lucie County is a unique mix of strategic, commercial resources. From office buildings and shopping plazas to research and biomedical centers to warehouses and acreage for new manufacturing and distribution facilities, the county encompasses everything that is of interest to prospective companies. Centrally located between Miami and Orlando, there are numerous transportation options for the growing county. Easy access to Interstate 95 and Florida's Turnpike, rail lines, deep ports, and a newly renovated international airport with a full-service fixed-base operator and on-site U.S. Customs official. The county even ranked in Forbes' Top 10 for job growth and Top 100 for business and careers. When looking to relocate or expand your company, consider industry, innovation, and lifestyle. Consider St. Lucie County.